Good morning, class! So ngayon nakaisip tayo ng bagong content na pwedeng maging kapaki-pakinabang ngayong panahon ng COVID-19. Dahil nauuso na ang home learning, so kailangan ang mga bata natututo pa rin sila kahit nasa loob lamang sila ng kanilang mga tahanan. Mga materials na ating gagamitin ay pwede rin natin makuha sa loob ng ating mga bahay. Isa sa ating mga materials ngayon ay ang ating mga bote na pinag-inuman o ang bote ng mga mineral water. So, wag natin sila itatapon, pwede pa natin silang i-recycle. Pangalawa, kailangan natin ng cardboard. Ayan. Ito ang ating cardboard. Pero, kung wala naman kayong katulad nito, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng illustration board or kahit anong board na matigas na pwede nyong pagdikitan. Kailangan din natin ng mga printed letters. Pero kung wala naman din kayong printer, pwede nyo naman din siyang isulat kamay na lamang. So, kailangan natin ng isang uppercase letter at isang lowercase letter. So, guys, kailangan din natin ng glue gun at syempre ng glue stick. So, momshies, let us start. We need our water bottle. And we just need to cut this area to get the cover. I've decided to use different color of cups. First step, we need to glue the uppercase letter. Right? And then after that, the cup above the uppercase letter A. There. Let's remove the cover. Put the lowercase letter A. There. Ta-da! We're done! So the objective of this activity is for them to identify the uppercase and the lowercase letters. First step, we need to jumble the letters. For example, let's look for the small letter G. Is it small letter G? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes, we found the small letter G. And now, let's look for the big letter G. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes. So by doing this, we are developing our fine motor skills. It's fun, right? You can do it also at home together with your mommy and your daddy. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye!